southwest side. JD Wallace, KOLD News 13, live local 8 breaking.
Hi there, I'm Chuck George. I hope you've had a great Thursday. If you were an early riser, chances are you saw this, a missile contrail that was out in the sky as you looked off to the east toward the sunrise. This happened around 5:30 this morning, and it was actually a test missile that was then attacked, if you will, by other test missiles. It was an experiment being done to make sure that missiles could find one another out in New Mexico from the White Sands area. This missile test was all about this, and here's why we can see these. It's not the first time we've seen them. It may be the first time you've seen it, but it's not the first time it's happened. Even recently, a missile was released from White Sands. It shot up about 50 miles in the air. Well, before it got up that high, it was shot down by missiles that were fired from Gallup. It was still dark here on the ground. However, the contrail, the vapor stream left by that missile, was able to be seen because the sun was coming up just high enough to illuminate those clouds. They were high enough. It was daylight where they were. Well, it was still dark down here. That's why it looks so darn beautiful. Look at that. It was gorgeous. Some people are referring to that as a noctilucent cloud. They're not. Noctilucent clouds are a cool phenomenon, but they happen at the very edge of outer space, and they really happen as a result of thunderstorms spinning or shooting moisture way up onto the edge of our atmosphere. Those are noctilucent clouds, not the same as we saw this morning. Still a great sight. It rained today. What the heck was that about? We'll talk about it in your first alert forecast.
All right, thanks, Chuck. The